This video is part 2 of a two-part series on how to use Microsoft OneDrive effectively within Schoology in Baltimore County Public Schools. First, go to BCPS 1. You may have to log in. Then go to Schoology because that lets you know what materials you're going to be using today. Go to your courses and go to the particular course that you're at right now. I keep my lessons at the bottom of the window. And then I'm going to go to my bottom folder, and then I'm going to go to the bottom folder, and I see two materials that I'm going to need today. I'm going to click on the first one and download it, and I see that in the bottom left corner of the screen, Chrome has put a representation of that file. Now I'm going to drag the folder through the left-hand side of the screen, and I'm going to grab a BCPS1 window that I already have ready to go. Now I want to store this material into Microsoft OneDrive, which is an instructional and productivity tool. And then I need the blue tile that has the white cloud. If you did not tell Microsoft to remember who you are, then you'll need to type in your BCPS username with the @bcps.org. and your password that you use to log into BCPS1 and the computer. Then click on the blue cloud for OneDrive. And in a previous video, you should have set up the year and your classes and this class and the unit that you are in. And now you're ready to make a new folder. Because the last lesson was lesson number 4, this is lesson number 5. I see that it's called Material World, and it's going to happen on September 17th. And I'm going to create that folder and go into it. Microsoft tells me drag files here. So you can take that representation of the file from the bottom left corner of the other Chrome window and drag it into your OneDrive window, and boom, there it is. Now go to September 17, or whatever the folder is that your lesson is in, and I see that there's also a writing assignment, which is going to be turned in. But before it can be turned in, I have to do the writing. So I'm going to click on that document and drag that into the OneDrive as well. So now I have a reading document and a writing document. When you click on the title of the document, it opens up into a new tab. When you click on the other document, it opens into its own tab. So I'm going to take the writing document and drag it through the right-hand side of the screen. And then I'm going to grab my OneDrive folder because I know that that's where my reading document is. Oh, it looks like it didn't actually go into the right-hand side. Let's try that again. So now I can take the information from the reading and I can use it to answer the writing because they're both on the screen at the same time. If you don't feel like dragging a window through the right side or left side of the screen, then on Windows, you can hold down the Windows key and use the arrow keys on the keyboard to move windows around. If you're on a Chromebook, then I hear that it's Alt square bracket to move your windows around. Good luck.